Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Ayurveda Udhar. Today we are discussing about Lavangadi tablets. Lavangadi tablets is a very useful tablet medicine to stop coughing. If you are a singer or speaker or you have to speak too much, which causes a sore on the throat, which causes the tongue to dissolve, then the Lavangadi tablets are very beneficial. Nausea, chronic cough, coughing for a long time, a yellow piece of yellow phlegm comes out, chest pain, pain in the head. In such condition, 2 to tablets of Lavangadi 4 to 5 times a day, sucking in the mouth, remove phlegm and stop coughing. Lavangadi contains cloves, people, pomegranate dry peel, cinnamon, camphor, honey, etc. Lavangadi tablets is available in Baidnath, Patanjali, Davar, Divya, Shri Shri and other Ayurvedic brands, which you can order from your nearest Ayurvedic medical or other online medium. Friends, if you like our video, then please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.